Alright, brother?
Yeah.
I got you, man. Hold on. That a fucking dumbass, dude. He's been riding like a fucking duck head.
I'm sorry.
You're good, brother. You're good.
I'm sorry.
You good?
Yeah, fucking.
Hold on, man. You leaking something, brother.
You're leaking. What is that? Yes, you're good. Okay.
Man, I probably have his top. Oh.
Turn it that way. I'll save your bike, I promise. What is that? That's what I was trying.
Well, it's a camera.
So you record everything that's going on?
Yeah.
Like,
Recorded that.
even when you go like 150, it records it?
Well, good thing I got this backup screen. Hey, man.
As long as it leave a mark. Be careful though.
Yeah, I'm sorry, man.
Leave a mark. Launch that motherfucker for me.
Nah, I'm going right here. Dude, that guy was acting like a fucking driving like a jackass anyway.
Oh yeah.
Huh? Oh shit, hey, I'm gonna get gas real quick, dude.
Wait till we leave.
Huh? He's flooded, dude. He's got a car bike he just laid over. He's gonna let it sit.